to measure by using iPhone 16, first of all, open the app library. Now you have to go for measure, and right now you will have to actually scan the arena. You have to move it a few times around the surface that you are going to start. So now when this icon is actually locked, it means that we keep our phone too close to the surface. So we have to just move it far away. Let's say that I'm gonna measure this surface in front of me because it's some kind of the issue with this surface under the camera. So now I'm gonna measure the size of the phone. So once you actually select something, click plus, then move it to the another side, click plus again, and now it is finished. And here you can find your result. You can take the photo if you want. There we go. And you can for sure clear this and make another measurements. You can also turn on the leveler actually. That's how it looks. Take a look. So yeah, that's how it looks. Thanks for watching.